3D printing. 3D printing or three-dimensional printing is a technology which was first developed at MIT, that is, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, in the 1980s. It is the process of making a physical object from a three-dimensional physical model. In this technology, we use the 3D digital data on the computer to build 3D objects by adding layers of materials which could be polymers, metals, concrete, or even plant and human tissue. 3D printing helps to bridge the gap between ideas and images on a page or screen and the creation of those ideas or images in the physical three-dimensional world. The major applications of 3D printing are education. It is widely used in the education sector. It prepares the students for their future by allowing them to create prototypes without tooling and extensive work. It helps the students to design and produce models they can hold and feel. Rapid prototyping (RP) method. It is used to create models to quickly test a new product before mass production. 3D printing can be termed as a RP method. Medicine. In the last several years, 3D printing applications have increased manifold in the world of medicine. They range from bioprinting, where biological materials like cells and growth factors are fused to create tissue-like structures replicating their natural equivalents, to medical devices like prosthetics. With 3D printing, prosthetics can be modeled, customized, and printed at lower cost and quickly. Construction. It is widely used in the construction industry. Model houses can be built in a day using 3D printing. Art and jewelry. The use of 3D printing has led the jewelry makers to experiment with non-traditional designs which were not possible with the traditional methods of jewelry making. It is now possible to make individual exclusive pieces or customized pieces of jewelry at a lesser cost with 3D printing materials like PLA, polylactic acid filament, gold, or platinum. This technology has inspired artists from all over the world. Artists can create beautiful, intricate pieces with metal 3D printing. There are many 3D printing methods. Direct 3D printing uses inkjet technology, emitting waxes and polymers to create a solid object. Binder 3D printing uses nozzles and two materials which come together to act as a glue. Multi-jet modeling (MJM), fused deposition modeling (FDM), a patented technique like direct 3D printing. Photopolymerization. Here, ultraviolet laser beam acts on liquid plastic drops and converts them into solid state, thus forming a 3D object. We also have selective deposit lamination (SDL), direct metal laser sintering (DMLS), and electronic beam melting (EBM) technique.